What up, YouTube? New episode of Hammer this week and a new GE contest. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out more.
Good morning. I feel sick.
You're sick too? Alright, let's get a head count of who's sick. Elijah, are you sick?
Sick?
Oh, I'm not sick.
You were sick.
I was sick, but I gave it to everybody else.
I'm not sick.
Sam's sick. What about you, Zach?
Nope, not yet. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How's it going?
I'm doing great. I'm just excited. Our Heartland Horseshoeing School here up in Nevada, and we're just excited to have you guys here. Watch these students learn and put some shoes on today.
How was your weekend? Ian's on his phone.
I'm getting my time.
Zach's just staring at his horse. Robin doesn't have any ideas for any impersonations this week. Kyle the coal banger setting flats. But Elijah and Jonathan are working. Kind of a boring day today, isn't it?
It's been a very boring day.
Setting flats has took a toll on Kyle. Poor guy. Coal banging takes it out of you, don't it?
Dude, it does. You know, Jakey, you're just like a blister. Always show up when the work's done.
That's right.
Why you came after all the action? You missed a lot of action today.
Buckskin showed me what's what.
Oh, man.
Lauren, I need to look up the day.
Like how I'm feeling right now?
Yes. One of these days, we need to get prepped for the Heartland School musical.
That's right, hurry up and take that.
Yep, he's getting
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Come on, everybody!
Oh, we
You know what?
You should have just said yes on the Novell.
I'm not underneath the horse.
So we're bueno.
Right, now clinch what?
Clinch.
You abused it. You abused it.
Are you okay, Ryan?
No.
Do you need to talk? Do you need a safe space? A Disney movie, perhaps?
What Disney movie?
McWay!
Like there's something seriously wrong with you.
Ever seen a lion in the wild with a magnet?
Proud. Looking around for silver.
This is definitely mine.
This doesn't sound like it.
No, it doesn't look like it.
Oh, this is like from I got it from my truck today. He doesn't trust me. Have I stolen his food? Yes. This is mine.
No, it's not. I found this in your bag.
What? No, you bad liar.
Where is he? It actually
All the Saturday they practice about that.
Actually gotta practice that one.
Oh, man. Paper part. See it?
Yeah. They practice about that.
Whoa, that was actually pretty cool.
Another pretty good little tidbit for your video. Lauren explaining blonde jokes.
Oh my god. What if I get this joke?
We'll see. So there was a blonde sitting in the middle of the cornfield, and she's out there in a rowboat, just going and going and going. And this other blonde drove by and just kicked her off. So she stopped her car. And she's still on the side of the road. She goes, "This blonde's like you to give all of us a bad name. If I could swim, I'd come out there and kick your butt." You don't get that?
And just the one blonde is in the cornfield.
With a boat.
Oh.
Right. And so the other blonde couldn't get out there because she couldn't swim. Right.
Did I get that one?
Well, I don't think so.
Yes, everyone clap, yes. Good job. Good try. Thanks for trying, Lauren. Morning, Whitney. Lauren. Susie. Zach. Happy birthday! Hey!
2-0.
Cody is demoing the Eagle Eye competition for the $100 hamburger.
Hey! There you guys go. That will be your match play.
What do you think, Samuel?
I don't even remember what just happened.
You guys got really lost last night.
Because I asked you where I need to go and you don't know how to explain me. So it takes to me 1.5 hours to find your Cody house.
Hey, check this out. I got this amazing New Zealand shoeing shirt. And look what he got me. David Hankin, thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate you.
Subscribe to the channel.
Not true. Sorry.
You know, it's busy as heck and you're on Tinder.
No, it's not in there. Instagram.
Everybody is like really sick. I am holding this horse for Ryan and filming. Boss and Kelly are both sick. I'm the only one really sound and not sick right now. Oh God! Don't do that! How's Ryan this morning?
I need hibernation, kind of like a bear, but a lion.
These videos.
Do you want a hug? Come here.
No. Oh.
I'm gonna grab another one.
Thanks for our change ground.
You don't think he'll kick you, Bam Bam? I don't think he'll kick. Bam Bam, you gotta go to work, buddy. Yeah, but he's missing you by several inches.
From very far.
I walk by. I walk by and I'm a jinx.
He said that they used to be really wild.
Oh yeah.
So Dad covered white line disease recently, didn't he?
Yes, yesterday.
So when we come across, what you'll see is just like this little cheesy area. A lot of times, it'll start to get a little deep.
Oh.
Whoa, watch out. Oh, Lauren, you're bad. Oh, watch out, Lauren.
What was Mike Norris's weatherman saying? This is crazier than the time my horseshoer shot my peacock.
Off the hood of his truck.
So Dad, being a horseshoer has turned you away from your life of crime.
It has?
It has. Oh, what's going on here?
We got a roly-poly. Did you not have roly-polies when you were kids? You ever seen roly-polies?
I have, but I'm kind of, I don't do both. Rats, you dropped him. Better kick dirt on him.
A lot of times I'll roll up into a little ball.
I do too when I get scared. I pulled the armadillo.
Definitely some white line right there.
That's your diagnoses.
Yeah.
The official Chris Gregory rooster tail also checks for white line disease.
Bingo.
Bingo. White line disease. This week in what a Chris Gregory knife will cut a rasp.
It will kill.
Did Sam?
Cody said he's leaving.
I was.
Where's Kyle? Run, Forrest! The wagon's leaving.
Well, Mom jinxed us. She said it's a light day. I count like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-ish trailers.
It's gonna be a big day, isn't it?
It's gonna be a good one. They're gonna get plenty of chances for final horses today.
The lines of war. Kyle versus the opposers.
I'm more of a fan of guerrilla warfare.
You shoot one and get back to the house.
Yeah.
Morning, Mama Kay.
Good morning.
How's it going? Good. Attack!
I am propane guy, brewster guy, and horseshoer all in one.
You are the one single entity that keeps us from becoming coal bangers. I hope you know that's a huge responsibility.
I got it, man.
Young David is in the heat of battle. Should we get up first?
Wow. Oh my.
Take it off. Take it off.
This week in Israeli impersonations, Robin is sick today, so Batman's going to do Napoleon Dynamite. Come,
Dina, you fat dog. Come get some Dina.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, good job, guy.
This is your hammer? Yeah.
Loading up the trailers, like boxes.
That's all I can do.
We're loading up the trailers, boxes, and everything. Or no?
You know why you're that good at spinning the hammer? Because you're done work, you just swing your hammer.
Oh, that's true. And now it's time for our new segment, Afrikaan Phrases with David.
Nooit oogkontak maak terwijl jy happy song het.
Beautiful!
Dina!
Lauren, you know what happens when you kiss a frog? A prince appears.
Good, good.
Oh my god, a prince appeared! Look, Lauren! You did good! You guys the mariachi band? Coming, I was told there's a mariachi band coming in town.
Oh, chimichango.
Oh, it's you.
Oh, buenos dias. We got South African, he hunts and rides lions for a living. Rides lions, yes, sir.
Left hand out.
Pretty boy's already got his wrist wrapped.
Walk like that.
He knows the technique. Roll.
All right, real quick. It is the international war! Canada versus South Africa! It is on! I think Don't break the table. All right, draw.
I like it.
First.
I don't even remember what just happened.
Oh, about threw up there. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video this week. Same as always, I've hidden 2 of these GE stickers in the video. If you find them, send a timestamp to the email in the description below. Happy hunting.